Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about 52 Chevy Truck from Hot Wheels. Imagine a time machine on wheels, a classic beauty that takes you back to the golden era. This 52 Chevy Truck is a Hot Wheel diecast truck which was first released in 2007. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. And this truck looks really cool right out of the box. I believe no cars look good when they are inside the box. Their real beauty emerges when you take them out and examine all the details. This truck has been crafted very well. Most of the color you can see is a dark green, almost like a leafy green, especially noticeable near the door, hood, and the rooftop. This truck features the Hot Wheel parts and repair, and it has a heavy chrome bumper, and it has a black tinted glass, though no other interior details are visible. Despite this, it looks really cool. The wheels have white rims, which add a cool touch to this 52 Chevy truck. It's a model with a fascinating history. I really like this one, which I bought from the store. Do you know it is modeled after the Chevrolet Advance design truck from 1947 to 1955, which were the first new design after World War II. As this diecast truck comes in the various colors and design. And it's not just for play, it's also a tribute to the history of truck design. When you hold a 52 Chevy truck, you are holding a miniature version of automotive history. So let me know which type of chassis and the color of 52 Chevy you own. As for me, I own this 52 Chevy which was released in 2024 this year. It has a unique look. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a cool, but it has a really decent appearance. It's a 52 Chevy truck, right? So if you're interested in adding this iconic Hot Wheels model to your collection, you can find it on eBay or Amazon. So that's all for today. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.